So you're probably here because you want to install a Harley Davidson audio system powered by Rockford Fosgate on your 2014 and newer Touring. You've definitely come to the right place. So whether you just want to install front speakers and amp, or if you want to go all the way with the rear speakers, second amp, and subwoofers, we got you covered in this video. Now, we don't always recommend Harley branded items over aftermarket, but after installation and testing, I can now highly recommend this audio system. It's built very well overall. It's super loud, super clear, and really hits hard. And I do want to say that the system was very well thought out to include the easy and quick removal of saddlebag subwoofers when you need extra storage. Welcome back, Bikeaholics. Ryan Urlacher here, lawabidingbiker.com. I always thank you. That's right, you. For checking back in. So if you're new to the channel, I do want to say that 95% of all the content we put out is completely free to the biker community. We're just a bunch of bikers trying to help bikers, and to do that, we got to keep the lights on. We do charge for a few of those videos. Just want to mention this is one of those, but stick around because I think I have some useful information for you. And at any time you want to get this video, just head over to lawabidingbiker.com/Harley Rockford Audio, and I'll leave a link in the description below. So in this video, we'll show you how to install the front speakers, lid speakers, amplifiers, and saddlebag subwoofers on your Harley Davidson. We'll show you everything you need to know on how to completely install the system yourself and get everything properly hooked up so you can ride down the road and rock out. And if you're not installing all the aforementioned components, don't worry, this video will still work for you. You see, you can always start small and add more components later to build out the system. And just a quick reminder that this fits 2014 and newer Harley Davidson Touring models. So here's the deal. You get your new Harley Davidson audio powered by Rockford Fosgate system, and you find out it can be very confusing to install these sorts of audio kits with all the amps, speakers, parts, and wires. And as we've learned over time, the paper instructions that come with all these audio kits are less than helpful, and they can really make you pull your hair out. So no need to stress, we got your back. Throw those paper instructions away and just watch our very detailed install tutorial video. Oh, and good luck trying to find and piece together any decent YouTube videos, as they'll leave you just as confused. And that's exactly why we make these videos, by bikers for bikers. We break it down in a way that's completely understandable. So save yourself a ton of money by not having to take it to a dealership to have this install done. Trust me, you can do it right on the kickstand in your very own shop or garage with basic tools. You can watch the video right as you're doing your very own install. The video's in 4K and we get the best of angles for you. It's like you're right there installing with us. Now, although there's no soldering and this Harley audio kit is really plug and play, the wiring is still very confusing to many out there. We get overly detailed in our explanation of where the exact plug and play wires go, along with an explanation of why. With this tutorial video, you'll spend a quarter of the time you would trying to install it using the less than worthy paper instructions. Upon purchase of this video, you'll get immediate access. Our premium videos stream just like a YouTube video. You can watch as many times as you want from any device with a good internet connection. We recommend you get the video prior to the install and watch it in its entirety. That way, you'll know what parts you need and you'll understand the overall installation process. We show you everything from start to finish, and we don't skip any steps. That means we show you how to switch out your saddlebag lids with speaker-ready lids. We also show you how to drill and cut out the saddlebags properly to run the wiring. We'll show you how to run and route all the necessary wiring harnesses, and we'll show you how to tune the system using the HD app. And let me tell you that the Harley Davidson audio powered by Rockford Fosgate system absolutely rocks. You won't be disappointed if you choose to get this system. It is a very clean sound, has plenty of rich sound for cruising on down the road, and those subwoofers, yeah, they hit really hard. We tested the system with a decibel meter and it was hitting above the regular Harley Davidson Audio Stage 2 kit, the J&M Rocker XX Extreme kit, and the non-Harley system from Rockford Fosgate, 3 known competitors. And of course, there are many other systems out there to choose from, and we've done a plethora of videos on installing those other systems, and I'll go ahead and mention them. The Harley Davidson Boom Audio Stage 2 front kit, the J&M Rocker XX Extreme front kit, the Rockford Fosgate Power Harley Davidson front audio kit, which is the non-Harley branded Rockford system, Sounds Baggers front kit, Hogtunes front kit, Boss Audio fairing and saddlebag lid kit, and we're always adding to that list. And you can find it at any time by heading over to lawabidingbiker.com/buy videos, and I will link to that in the description below. What are you waiting for? Get the video already. Head over to lawabidingbiker.com/Harley Rockford Audio. And again, link in the description below. All right, with that said, here's a sneak peek. Oh, and just real quick, at the end of the video, I'll actually let you hear how the system sounds and test it with a decibel meter for you. All right, this is an audio test of the Harley Davidson audio by Rockford Fosgate. We've got 2 front fairing speakers, 2 saddlebag lid speakers, and we've got an amp in each saddlebag along with subwoofers, the 10-inch in each saddlebag. Understand that there's no way to convey audio from a bike over a camera microphone, so this is just a general idea, and we will be showing you a decibel meter to show you where the system is hitting.
And I stay fitted. Penthouse where I'm living. Y'all dream about it, I did it. You never met someone like me before. Got a exclusive trip all on me galore. Bottega, Fendi, and Dior. Yeah, I'm on top, y'all can't check the score. I been up, this ain't nothing new. And I won't stop now, I got the juice. Better step aside when I'm coming through.